guys, it's my buddy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry smoothie, my version. So, yes, buddy? Here we go. Okay, so get your blender. I have a Ninja, which is awesome. So, what you need is 3/4 of a cup of milk. I'm using 2% milk, but any milk will do. Then about half a cup of vanilla yogurt. Add some strawberries. This is all the strawberries I have left, so I'm gonna add that in there. And then some fresh blueberries. One banana that I cut up into pieces. And then I'm gonna use some strawberry jelly. So you can just put however you want, what you want. I'm gonna put it like 1.5 tablespoons in there. There. That's perfect. Now put this lid on. Okay, now you press blend. Let it blend for 1 minute. Now, you should pour straight into a glass. Put a straw in, and ready to go. Voila. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a blueberry smoothie. Let's give it a try. Very refreshing. So the first time I ever did a recipe on YouTube, so if you guys liked it and want to see more, thumbs up and subscribe to me. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time, and peace out.